Hey y'all, it is your favorite nerdy girl here, Nerdy Girl Reviews, and we're back with another Dollar Tree haul. So please stay tuned for all the goodies. So no kitchenware necessarily, the usual go-tos. We're gonna do the fun stuff today, which I'm very excited to share with you guys, my followers here. I opted for this at the Crafter Square section. These are new to my branch. I don't know if it's new to you guys, but I've never seen them. So these are iron-on sheets with glitter, and it comes in a nice foil. And so I opted for these two colors, and this like nice turquoise and this nice glittery purple, and it says iron on. It's 12 inches by 12 inches. So I'm going to give these a try. I might use a steamer with them. I don't know necessarily like a press on iron, but if the color gives you any kind of indication of a possible cosplay, let me know in the comment section below. Let me see if you can guess it. Nonetheless, these are new. I also I follow another influencer or YouTuber on here. I think it's Pretty and Flawed is her screen name. And she did a come shop with me kind of video. And I remember her doing a demo on this particular project. This is Dragonfly Bath Body. And it's a body wash. And I know when she smelled the scent, it was so impressive. I said, let me give it a try. I smelled it, and it really does smell really nice. It comes in a nice pink lemonade. I think they had like a cucumber version as well, but I opted for this as well. It's a nice little pretty pink. Hopefully it has a nice lather, and I will keep you guys posted. If it does, it is 16 fluid ounces. So I opted for that in their beauty care section. This I have actually found in the close to the cash register by B Color. I'm a big fan of their nails, and so now they're bringing in these kind of things. This is called Edge Wax, and it's long-lasting hold in a watermelon scented kind of smell, and it is 1.35 fluid ounces. I'm going to give this a try because I am a wig enthusiast, and it's obviously to kind of keep your edges, nice and cute and sharp and swiveled. So I will let you guys know if this is definitely worth the $1.25, but I'm excited to try. Now, to continue in the beauty care section, I opted also for my Global Beauty Care. I do love their makeup wipes, and this comes in a witch hazel, which is great for sensitive skin. 25 sheets per package. Can't go wrong with for $1.25. Also, they were running low at my branch. They're AAA. So once I see them, I try to get as many as I can. So I opted for 2 packages of their e-circuit AAA batteries. They really do come in handy, y'all. So I keep plenty in stock. You never know. And then now that we're also going into the spring and summer things, they have these cute little hula hoops. How adorable are these? These are perfect to go to the park, to the pool, to the beach, have fun. Perfect for kids. I bought it for DIY, so I might do like some kind of wreath with it. These are really great. Also, I think pool noodles come in handy too, but they rarely bring them in my branch, so I opted for the hula hoop. Also perfect for summer, these cute bubble blower. How cute are these? I bought this like 2 years ago, but I used one for cosplay. So it's spray painted, and so I opted to buy another one just because I'm going to do something else with them. And they come in this pretty color of blue. They bring them in green and red and yellow, but I opted for the blue. And it comes in a nice little cute little bubble bottle as well. So I will let you guys know, but it's really cool. I bought 2. Lastly, my Reynolds Wrap in their kitchenware section. They're pre-cut foils already, 25 sheets. You can't go wrong with $1.25, and it's a name brand, y'all. And lastly, my Oots. I love my Oots popcorn movie butter. Hello. I feel like I'm at the movie concession stand. And it is 2.5 ounces, 13 whole grains per serving, gluten-free. Can't go wrong, y'all. You feel like you're at the movies while you're at home. And lastly, let me get to this. just so you know, I do use these products. This is their essentials line. Remember I told you that you can keep things organized? See, I have all of my other rolls that I've kept in storage and I've used and whatnot, and I kind of keep the scraps. But see, now I can keep them organized. How cute is this? And look, and it comes with a nice clear top and a zipper. Has a zipper right here. Come on, you can't find this. Not even if I'm five and below, you'll end up paying like $5 plus. So now I have, you know, or I can opt to buy another one, and I can see what I have, and also if I don't want it or it looks tattered, toss it. So these things come in handy, y'all. So there you have it, guys. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you've seen these brands or you've seen these products at your local branch, let me know. Leave me a comment down below. If you like what you see, give us a like, give us a share, and if you'd like to follow me here on YouTube, hit the subscription button and the notification button so you can be alerted of my next DIY review and haul. And until next time, y'all, XOXO. Nerdy girl. Ta-da. Bye, y'all.